Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To access the settings that let you wirelessly project to this PC using Miracast-capable hardware in Windows 11, open the Settings app window and then click the System button at the left side of the screen to show the system settings for your device. Then click the Projecting to this PC category in the pane at the right side of the window to show the projection settings for Windows 11 in the right pane. If you do not see the settings at the right side of the window, then either Wi-Fi is disabled, or you do not have hardware capable of supporting Miracast, or you must first enable the optional wireless display feature to let other devices project to this PC. A message appears if you need to enable this feature. If needed, to enable the optional wireless display feature in Windows 11, click the Optional Features link to show the optional features settings of the Apps settings in Windows 11. Then click the View Features button for the Add an Optional Feature setting at the right side of the Settings app window. In the Add an Optional Feature dialog box that opens, scroll down the alphabetized list of optional features in this page until you find the Wireless Display optional setting, and then click its checkbox to select it. Then click the Next button to continue. Verify you selected the wireless display feature on the next page, and then click the Install button to install it. To return to the Projecting to this PC settings after the wireless display feature shows as being installed, click the System button at the left side of the screen to show the system settings for your device. Then click the Projecting to this PC category in the pane at the right side of the window to show the projection settings for Windows 11 in the right pane. To allow other devices to project to your PC using the Connect app in Windows 11 after you install the optional wireless display feature on your Miracast-capable hardware, select the desired choice from the Some Windows and Android devices can project to this PC when you say it's OK dropdown. The default and recommended setting is always off, which disables projection. You can select this setting choice to disable remote projection to this PC later as needed. To project on a secure network, select the Available Everywhere on Secure Networks choice. You can also select the Available Everywhere choice, but note that this poses more of a security risk. To choose when to ask permission to connect to the PC, select a choice from the Ask to Project to this PC settings dropdown. To require a PIN for pairing for better security, select the desired choice from the Require PIN for Pairing dropdown. For battery-powered computers, to ensure the computer can only be discovered for wireless projection when it's plugged into power, ensure This PC can be discovered for projection only when it's plugged into a power source toggle switch is set to the On position. The name of the PC appears by the PC name setting, so you can ensure you are connecting to the correct PC when using the Cast pane to make the connection from the other computer in the future. To launch the Connect app so you can wirelessly project to this PC, click the Launch the Connect app to project to this PC link at the top of the Projecting to this PC settings in the Settings app window. To then project to this PC from another Windows PC, open the Cast pane on the other Windows PC by pressing the Windows logo plus K keys on its keyboard. In the Cast pane, then select the device to which to connect and to which to project. To change the projection settings in the Cast pane on the PC from which you are projecting, click the Change Projection Mode link, and then select how to project or mirror the desktop from the remote PC. To allow mouse, keyboard, touch, and pen usage on the projected display from the device to which it is being projected, check the Allow Mouse, Keyboard, Touch, and Pen Input from this device checkbox in the Cast pane. To disconnect, Click the Disconnect button either in the cast pane on the PC from which you are projecting, or in the projection toolbar that appears at the top of the display on the PC to which you are projecting. To close the Settings app window when finished, click the X button in its upper right corner.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.